Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's random reviews. I just picked out my giveaway winners. If you want to check it out, go check your comment on the giveaway video. You'll find out if you're a winner or not. Now let's get back into our random reviews. Today we've got a product I found on eBay for about $5. I'll put that link in the description for you guys if you want to get your own. It's kind of like a fidget toy slash spinner thing. It's not a fidget spinner, but it's something that actually has a nice look, a nice sophisticated appeal. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up, check it out, and tell you if it's worth it. Alright guys, so here's the product. We're going to go ahead and use this little metal card thing that I reviewed to open it up and get this thing out. So as you can see, it's not the biggest thing in the world, but you know, it does come protected in some plastic here to keep it from getting scratches and whatnot in the shipping process. Here it is. It's actually pretty nice looking. It's got a copper appeal to it. It's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. It's nice. I expected it to be bigger, but it's not bad. Now let's see it do what it's made to do. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. That's actually really cool. I am not gonna lie. That's one of the cooler things I've seen. You could see the ridges on it kind of make it look like it's moving, but without moving. It's just like going up. That's really cool. Let's spin it the other way. Oh, you can really get it going. Wow. Now let's slow it down a little bit. The thing's going a little crazy. But as you can see, it kind of looks like it's, I don't know, it's kind of gives it life for some reason. It's really cool. It stays nice and still, so that way all that moves are these little grooves that are along the whole edge that kind of spiral up to the middle. This is one of those things that you could put on your desk or something, so that way, you know, it's just on your desk. It's cool. It's convenient. It spins for a while. Let's see how much time we can get on this thing to spin. It's definitely going pretty quick. Wow. So it goes for a while, guys. It really does. Whatever type of ball bearing system they use is definitely effective, because it's not slowing down too much. There's not a lot to slow it down though, because there's not a lot of air resistance going on. The only thing really slowing it down is the friction between the bearing, which is clearly keeping it going for a while. I would say it's definitely over a minute of spin time. If you really need it to go longer, you could probably launch it a lot quicker than I just did. But it's really nice, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's got a good weight to it. It's nice and it feels high quality. It feels high quality. It's a $5 product. It looks nice. It's more coppery than gold, but yeah, as you can see, it's more of a copper look, but it's not bad. I really like the way this thing looks. Nice plastic bottom on there. It's really a nice little product. I'm not gonna lie. I would recommend it. $5. Why not? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little review of this little fidget spinner type toy. It's definitely more sophisticated, more high class than a typical fidget spinner. I like it. I would definitely set it on my desk. It's a nice little accessory for your desk. Now if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll put it right there for you guys so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you want to check out the last video of the channel, I'll put it right up there. And if you want to check out the playlist where I review a bunch more products just like this, it'll be right up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.